So here we go, super quick video, me just making up some crinolines for the back of a Thomas 2 boiler here at the steam workshop. Started out with some 50 by 10mm flat bar. I've ripped it in half lengthways, chucked it in the forge, warmed it up, and I'm going to knock it around the boiler. Enjoy the video. Cool little blooper. I'm just going to drop some steel out of the forge. Quite difficult to grab hold of metal with tongs at times. This one just slipped my grip. Just don't try and catch it when it falls. And here we have a little bit of a cameo from the anvil I restored. You can find the anvil in my videos. Yeah, nice little anvil, a couple of taps just to finish it off. And that wraps up this video. I'm just going to leave it to cool down, then I'll trim it to fit around the regulator bracket, tack it in place. Yeah, it should hold that cladding nicely in position. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please smash that like button, leave comments and subscribe if you're not already done so. Thank you very much.